Boom! What is up, YouTube? We're back at it again with another video. And of course, real talk muna tayo kasi ang daming ganap na nangyayari sa stock market both sa Pilipinas and sa US. So pag-usapan natin yan sa video na to. Yan yung title. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. So, napanood nyo sa video ko, gumawa ko ng video kung bakit trading can be one of the best work from home na profession and career. And totoo yun, no? Pero ngayon, ang daming sa Facebook, ang daming makitang about the stock market. So, pag-usapan natin yan. For example, GameStop, may isang stock na umangat to 1,000% for parang 7 days because of some issue with Reddit and versus the hedge fund. Kung interested ka nun, pwede mo naman search online kung ano yung nangyayari doon. But, focus tayo doon sa gain. So, meron tayong isang stock, no? Nag-gain ng 1,000% in 7 days and sobrang volatile. Meaning volatile, sobrang magalaw. Tapos meron namang stock dito sa Philippines na gumagalaw 200% or 100% in just a span of weeks. Tapos ngayon nagbabagsakan na, no? So, guys, yan yung reality sa stock market. Pwede ka kumita dyan, at the same time, you can also lose. Pwede ka mawala ng pera dyan pag hindi mo alam ginagawa mo. So ako, personally, kumita ba ako this month ng January sa sobrang gulo ng market? Answer is yes. In fact, yung kinita ko last year, kinita ko na this January. It's really about creating a system. Gawa ka ng sistema mo kung paano kumita sa stock market. Kaya legit siya. Sadyang, yung reality lang ng trading or in the stock market, ito reality guys ha, 80% of the people in the stock market lose their money. 80%. Why? Because yung iba dyan, they don't know kung ano yung pinapasok nila. Hindi nila alam. Nagpapasok lang sila ng pera dyan. Yung iba naman, nagsusugal lang sa stock market. But, here's the other side. 10% is just break-even. Meaning ng break-even, hindi sila kumikita, hindi rin sila natatalo. So, nandun lang. And then, the remaining 10% consistently makes money in the stock market. So, there's still that 10% and yun yung goal natin, maging part of that 10%. So, that's the reality of trading, guys. Kaya nga sa video na to, sa YouTube channel to, I'm really gonna try my best to, alam mo yun, if you want to pursue this trading journey with me, sabay-sabay tayo kumita sa stock market. Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na to, yung realities of trading, and ano ba yung mga kailangan nyong i-consider bago kayo pumunta sa venture na to. So, tara, pag-usapan natin yan. I hope mag-enjoy kayo, kwentuhan lang tayo. Okay, bago tayo pumunta dun sa statistic ng 80% lose money, 10% break even, 10% consistently make money, recap muna tayo on investing and trading sa stock market. So, kung tatanungin kayo kung ano yung difference, think of these two things lang, no? Time and attention. When it comes to investing, the time that you need in order to make money is talagang long term. And yung kumbaga financial objective mo na to is for investments like to buy a new house, for your future family, for your kids' educational fund, or basta long term, diba? 5 years or more, yun yung sinasabi nila. And then next naman is trading. So trading is short term, fast, mabilisan. Sometimes months, weeks, days, yung iba nga minutes lang diba? Yun yung time aspect ng investing and trading, yung difference nila, yung turnover. And then, yung attention naman, so investing is more passive. Kasi nga, investing na sometimes you invest in a mutual fund, so may fund manager na naghahawak ng fund sa'yo. And sa trading naman, you treat this like a business. So your attention, if you want to succeed, needs to be 101%. That you need to study, you need to develop your system, you need to babad ka sa charts, right? Until you get the rhythm na pwede mo na konti-konti to automate your trades. So that's the recap of investing and trading. So tara, pag-usapan natin yung 80-10-10 na yan. Na-mention ko na 80% lose their money. Mag-focus muna tayo doon. Why do people lose their money in the stock market? Number 1, nagsusugal. Pag-usapan na natin yan. Number 2, walang sistema. So, pinag-usapan na natin yan, di ba? Sugal ba or scam ang stock market? Lack of financial literacy, walang sistema, naglalagay lang ng pera. Gusto nila easy money. So, minsan, hindi alam ng mga tao yung kinascam nila, yung sarili nila. Pag pupasok sila sa stock market, yan. Kaya, 80% nawawalan ng pera sa stocks. Kasi nga, pumapasok sila walang alam, gusto nila easy money, or nagiging impatient sila sa mga investments nila. Kumbaga, hindi clear yung objective nila, ba't sila pumasok sa stock market. Okay, mabilisan lang to. Number 2, 10% yung mga break-even. Bakit nagbe-break-even yung mga traders, no, or yung mga people in the stock market? So actually, itong 10% na nag-break-even, this is a good thing, no? Ako, personally, I believe yung mga tao na nandun sa 10% for break-even, if they just study more and they develop their system sa trading, in time, magiging part na rin sila ng 10% who makes money in the stock market. So, feeling ko yung 10% who breaks even in the stock market, yan yung mga nasa malapit na, no, maging profitable sa stock market. Then, next, 10% consistently makes money in the stock market, or yung 10% na kumikita lagi sa stocks, no, na regularly, they trade for a living. So, sino ba tong mga to? Ito yung mga tao na nagsunog ng pera, who didn't quit, who kept on going, tuloy-tuloy lang kahit natatalo na sila. In my personal experience, hindi ko alam kung may scientific data to, ang average time daw doon bago maging consistent profitable trader is around 2 to 3 years or 3 to 5 years, di ba? Pag a year, profitable ka na, magaling ka na, swerte ka na. So, yung 10% na yon, bigyan ko lang kayo ng context. So, there's this person, pangalan niya Mark Minervini. So, si Mark Minervini, para yung Michael Jordan sa basketball, no? So, siya yung isa siya parang pwede natin sabihin na Michael Jordan sa trading. So, si Mark Minervini, bago siya kumita sa stock market at naging sobrang galing, 7 years siya nagtiis. Kanina, minention ko to 3 years lang, di ba? Si Mark Minervini, 7 years siya bago naging sobrang kumita sa stock market, bago siya naging successful sa field na to. So, kung iniisip nyo talaga na trading stock market, easy money lang yan, yes, totoo yan, pag magaling ka na. Pero, yung easy money, you cannot make that consistently when you're starting. So, you really need to put in the hours, kailangan mo mag-aral, and kailangan mo mag-execute, kailangan mo mag-try kung ano ba yung gumagana sa'yo and hindi. So, yan yung reality sa trading. Na ako nga, personally, it took me 3 years, 3 years habang nasa college ako, na last year lang ako kumita. So, tiniis ko talaga yon. Ano ba yung mga certain questions na kailangan natin itanong sa sarili natin kung game ba talaga tayo dito na pumasok para sa trading? So, first question, are you willing to take the risk? Na-mention ko sa previous video ko na it's worth it. Na hindi ko kayo tinatakot, guys, ha. I'm just showing you the reality na para pag pumasok kayo dito sa trading, hindi kayo ma-heartbroken kasi mali expectation nyo. Just yung, relax lang. Anyway, nag-gets nyo naman yun. The reason why sinasabi ko to sa inyo, para you can set the right expectations and hindi kayo masaktan pag nawalan kayo ng pera. Kasi ang trading, di ba, ang pagdodoktor nga, ilang taon yan? 8 years, di ba? Ang paglo-lawyer, ilang taon yan? 4, 5 years? Ang pag-i-engineer, 4 years, di ba? Or 5 years. Same thing sa trading. Hindi nyo pwedeng madaliin yung process. Sabi nga natin, trust the process. And madami yan, yung mga mentors na nakikita natin dyan, yung mga 100,000 day change, 1 million day change, dumaan yan sa heartbreak. That's part of the process. And if naalala nyo, yung J-curve na tinuro ko, na magsistart ka dito, bababa ka talaga, losses will incur, then akit ka, boom, exponential compounding na yung growth mo. Kaya mo ba daanan yung baba na yun? Kaya mo ba tiisin yun? And the stock market, in order to make money, you need money. So, important dito is actually yung big money na yun, subjective yan eh. It's relative eh. You need to look at your lifestyle, and then see from it, para okay, if I live off, let's say, 20,000 per month, and then, magkano yung kailangan ko ipasok sa stock market, tapos magkano yung kailangan ko kitain sa stock market. So, ito yung mga kailangan mo itanong sa sarili mo to evaluate kung para sa'yo ba talaga to. Kasi personally, guys, naka-experience ako sa stock market na yung kinikita ko sa isang buwan, kinita ko lang sa isang araw. Diba? Totoo yan, nangyayari yan. But hindi yan palagi. So that is why you need to create a system na meron kang, kumbaga, expectation na, ito yung kikitain ko for the year kung consistent lang ako. So you need to make sure na when you go into this game, you're in it for the long term. Because simula, it could be tough, but in the long term, if you succeed, it's very, very rewarding. Trading in the stock market is a scalable skill. Meaning, if you can consistently make 10%, let's say in 50,000 pesos, you can scale it up. Pwede mo yung dagdagan. So if consistently ka nagta 10% sa 50,000 pesos, pag naglagay ka ng 100,000 or 500,000 and ma-replicate mo yon ng 10%, so di ba? Kayang-kaya siya. So meron nga kami sa ZFT, no, may isang student na 4,000 pesos, nagawa niyang 26,000 pesos. That's more than times 5 yung capital niya. Diba? So, anything is possible in the stock market. But of course, anything is possible, you need to also to take into consideration kung ano yung papasukin mo. Kumbaga yung risks. Diba? Again, game of risk, probabilities, and opportunities. Since pinapag-usapan natin if trading is para sa'yo, trading nga is the business side of the stock market. So if hindi mo naman siya kaya, paano pag gusto ko i-take yung opportunity stock market pero ayoko naman i-trade? Diyan papasok yung investing. Leave it to the experts, yung mga fund managers or sa mga banks. So madami namang options ngayon. So pinapakita ko lang, fino-focus ko lang is yung trading side kasi nga trader ako. Pero if you want to go into investing, go ahead, 'di ba? Madami na nag-offer ng services dyan, ng mutual funds, ng fund managers in order for you to make money in the long term sa stock market. So if you're interested, alam mo yun, nalagay ko yung email ng mom ko para makausap ka. She's a financial advisor. So I hope she can help you when it comes to investing in the stock market. So okay, mabalik tayo, di ba? So if you can't handle trading as a business in the stock market, you might want to consider investing instead in the stock market. So kung gusto mo talaga kumita dito sa stock market and be successful, treat it as if you're becoming a doctor or gusto mong maging engineer, 'di ba? You need to put in the hours, the work, you need to study, you need to test, 'di ba? Kailangan mo mag-execute, kailangan practical ka dito, and you need to evaluate your life kung swak ba talaga yung trader lifestyle sa lifestyle mo, 'di ba? Kasi again, at the end of the day, the stock market can be for anyone, but not everyone succeeds. Pag nakita mo, pag naaral mo, studying how the stock market works is easy. Understanding how money is made in the stock market is easy, but making money in the stock market could be quite difficult. So if you're here and you want to be part of a community, kaya nga very important yung community, pag natatalo ka, to remind you to get back up, you can always feel free to join our trading community, Trading for Rookies by ZFT. Free lang yan sa Facebook, nandyan na lahat ng basics. So check yan, ililink ko down below. And I hope if nag-enjoy kayo, like this video, subscribe. And the point of this channel talaga is to show you my journey in becoming a trader, building my wealth, building my career since still in my early 20s. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. See you in the next video. I appreciate you. Love you all. Stay safe lagi. God bless. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah! So, okay. Sa papaw.